Hello everyone, welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. I think I'm finally recovering. Still got a little bit of a cough, but anyway, onward with the drinks. I'm going to show you what I drank for Christmas. We had a good time drinking them. Consists of this Evan Williams, it's already pre-made eggnog, and then I added a little Old Overholt to it, and makes a great drink. So let's get started. Calls for 2.5 of the eggnog. This comes in around 20%, so just about right for a sipper. This is 86 proof. This is a rye. Don't need nutmeg, don't need anything else on this. Give it a little bit of a stir, get that mixed up. And there you have it. This is the eggnog. I'm going to put 2 G's on the end of eggnog because I bumped it up a little bit. Hope you enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to doing some more drinks here shortly. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Happy New Year.